Hey guys, all right, we're gonna make some slime. So let me show you what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some Elmer's glue, white or transparent for different looks. Some baking soda. I got this from Ralph's for $1. Some eye contact solution. I also got this from Ralph's for about $4. And some food coloring. I'm gonna use my trusty Miel. So let's get started. And also, if you want, you can have baby oil too. It's optional, not necessary, but optional. So the first thing we're gonna do is we want to take our glue. We're gonna use half a cup of glue, which is approximately one whole bottle. So I'm gonna take this and pour it in and get all that in there. I also got my glue from Ralph's for $1. Everything's at Ralph's. I love them. Okay. All right, I got my glue in there. Now we need half a teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, all the same. So I'm gonna open that up. And I really don't have measuring cups, so I'm just gonna use my little spoon and throw some in there. Bam! Okay. And then we're going to take our coloring and just squirt some in there. All right, and we're going to mix it up. You might get a little sizzle because I noticed when I put my coloring in with it, it got a little sizzle. All right, guys, so I finished to mix it up. Okay, so after you do your baking soda and your stuff and you mix it all together, you're gonna take your solution and squirt 1 to 2 tablespoons of solution. We'll put that in there. Okay, and you mix it up. And it should get thicker and thicker. And you should know when it starts sticking to just itself and not the bowl that it is ready. So, and if you put baby oil in it, it will keep it from sticking to your skin. I did not use baby oil, so hopefully it does not get too bad. So let's take it out. Ready? Whoa. Look at it. Whoa. Yep, it stains my skin. I should have used baby oil. I recommend it.